In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make someone else the host on Google Meet. It's a quick and valuable skill to have, especially if you're managing multiple meetings or need to delegate hosting responsibilities. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, we're going to start with Google Calendar, since that's where your Google Meet events are organized. Navigate to Google Calendar by going to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're logged in with the account that created or has edit rights to the event in question. This will bring up your calendar with all your scheduled events. Now find the specific event for which you want to change the host. It could be a meeting you've scheduled in advance or one you're setting up now. Once you've spotted the event, click on it to open the event details. This is where you can see everything about the event, including time, participants, and of course the Google Meet link. Inside the event details, look for 3 dots or an options menu to the right. This button will open up additional settings for your event. Clicking on it is your gateway to various adjustments you can make to your event. After you've clicked on the 3 dots, scroll through the options until you find Change Owner. This option is what you need to transfer hosting responsibilities to someone else. Click on Change Owner, and you'll be prompted to choose who you want to make the new owner of the event. The next step is crucial. You will need to select or enter the email address of the person you want to make the new host. Make sure you have the correct email address, as this will transfer control over the meeting to them. After selecting or typing the email address, confirm your choice. Finally, to solidify the change, you'll again click on Change Owner. This confirms your decision and sends a notification to the new owner, letting them know they now have hosting privileges for the Google Meet event. The new host will have the ability to manage the meeting, including adding or removing participants, and making changes to the meeting time or details. And that's it. You've successfully changed the host of a Google Meet event through Google Calendar. It's a straightforward process that can significantly impact how you manage meetings and delegate responsibilities. Remember, it's all about efficiency and flexibility when managing online events. By knowing how to change the host of a Google Meet, you give yourself and your team the adaptability needed in today's fast-paced world. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Feel free to drop any questions or comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy hosting!